All right, when we are solving a question like 12% of 150, what I do is I first box up my problem so I know what is what when I go to put it either in my proportion or my equation. So I'm looking for 12% of 150. That means I don't know the is. I don't know the part that I'm trying to find out. We can use two different ways to solve this, using a proportion or an equation. A proportion is my favorite, so I'm going to start with that. So we're going to set it up as percent over 100 equals part over whole. My percent is 12. I don't need to change it at all because 12 over 100 is actually 12%. I do not know what my is with the portion of 150, but the of 150 is going to go right down here. So this is my of, this is my is, this is my percent. Okay, and now I use cross products. I cross multiply in order to solve this proportion. So 100 times x is 100x, and that is equivalent to 150 times 12. So I'm going to rewrite this as 100x, and I'm going to simplify the right-hand side using my calculator. 150 times 12, that is 1800. Now to get rid of that x, I need to divide both sides by 100. That's going to leave me with x over here, and I'm keeping my equation balanced. So 18 divided by 100 is, 1800 divided by 100 is 18. So 18 is 12% of 150. Another way you can solve it is with an equation. So an equation is going to be a little bit different. For the equation, we're going to do part equals percent times whole. But for our percent, we have to write it as a decimal. So if you prefer this way, here's what it's going to look like. Part, I don't know what the part is. So part equals, my percent is 12%, and my decimal point is right here after the whole number, after the ones place. So I need to move it over twice to make it into percentage, and it's a 0.12 is the decimal portion form of percent. And then I'm going to multiply it times my whole, which is my of. So that's times 150. So now my part equals 0.12 times 150, and that should equal 18. My part is 18.